Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Google Chrome search engine is changing to Yahoo. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to go on Google Chrome, press on the three dots on the top right, go to a settings, then you need to go to a search engine, and then on search engine, change it to Google, right? And then look if it's changing back or not. If it's changing back, probably you got a virus or something like that. So first, what I suggest to do is to go to a extensions, manage extensions. And if you have some suspicious extensions, remove it or just disable it and then look if the problem persists or not. Still, if this do not work, then press on the three dots on the top right on Google Chrome, go to settings and then reset settings and then restore settings to original defaults and press reset settings. And if this do not work, then what is just to do here is to scan your computer basically and look if there is some viruses or not. Go and search and then just need to write Windows security. And then you need to go to virus and threat protection, then scan options, and then do a full scan and look, maybe you have virus or something like that. But if you apply all these changes here, it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.